Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. It is January. We've been back home for, it will be a week tomorrow, and I hope you guys can see all around me. There is snow. It's been snowing. I have been waiting for like snow forever. I actually decided, because I was like, hey, it's snowing, let me go out for a snow walk. And actually, while out, then just make a video of me walking in the snow and showing you guys the coolness of, oh my word, I'm like a child in heaven right now, because it's just so amazing. Oh, this camera's not doing me any justice, so I'm not going to use it. I'm going to use my phone camera. So I need to check for post. We've got one for Hubi here, so I will get it when I come back from my walk. So for now, we're gonna go for a walk. It's not even that cold. It's not even that cold. Is there a place to put this one? No, there isn't. Hey guys, so I've got this baby here, but the lighting is so horrible, so I'm gonna see which one works best, but I'm still gonna use it to capture like footage around of the snow and everything. But anyways, how are you guys doing? We are doing a snow walk today. It's actually snowing. I'm not sure if you guys can even see the snow, but oh yeah, you actually can. So I am out for my daily walk. I haven't walked actually since last week when we came back. I walked for one day only, and yeah, so today I decided, because it's snowing, you guys can see it's snowing, I decided to come out for a walk. It's not snowing that much anymore. It started snowing yesterday, well, I guess the night of Sunday night, and yeah, but it's awesome, guys. Like, this makes me happy. I don't like the cold. I prefer it to snow, because right now, for example, it's not actually cold. It's not cold at all. So yeah, but anyways, guys, let's go for the walk around. I think I might, there's our car there. I think I might actually go to the forest. This road leads to the forest. So I guess we're gonna go to the forest, walk in the forest in the snow. Let's see how it goes. I hope this is capturing good footage, the sky, because it's 360, so it's supposed to capture all around, which is why I wanted it, because then you guys can actually see everything. So yeah, but I hope it keeps on snowing. We didn't get to have white Christmas, so I'm happy that we're having this snow right now, making up for not having a white Christmas. The snowfall, guys, can you guys hear me under that thing? The snowfall is becoming real and real and real, and oh my word, I love it. I hope I'm not making a mistake. I hope there are no polar bears here, because I'm thinking white and I'm just thinking of all those polar bear movies I've watched. Anyways, so yeah, but you guys can see now the snow. Oh my word, it's so amazing. It's just white everywhere. Can you guys see that? Oh, I love this. Loving this. So yeah, guys, I'm walking towards the forest. Wish me luck. Oh, there's pee there. I hope it's a dog. Very yellow pee. Guys, can you see how much snow is happening here? There's so much snow. Oh my word. Looks fun. There's a guy and a dog behind me. Guys, it's snowing a bit too hard, like in my eyes. I'm not sure now if I'm making a big mistake or what. But there's a guy. Okay, they've gone the other way. Can you see? You can't see them. A guy and his dog. So I'm going towards the forest and they went the other way. I'm not sure if it's a good idea going into the forest, but hey, let's see. I'm not sure if you guys can see them, but yeah, we're in the forest. I'm not sure if you guys can see them. There's people coming, can you see? With their dogs. But yeah, oh, so many dogs. Guys, it is so beautiful in here. It looks pink. This is so amazing. Look at how beautiful this is. So I think I've walked far enough because I'm in the woods, you guys can see, and I'm turning back. But it's beautiful. Like, it is beautiful in the woods with all the snow covering. Babe and I should come do this walk together all the way down, preferably. So yeah, but I'm going back home, guys. So the route is basically the same as I came. I'm out of the woods. Whew. But there's still a lot of woods around me, guys. The anxiety. My heart is beating so fast. I don't know why I do this to myself. Oh Lord, help me. It's winter, so all the tractors are stowed away for the winter. Well, they also used to clean the snow on the roads for cars and drivers, but not for farming. But look at this. They look so cool, huh? Like, oh, all the farming toys. Almost back home. The kids' Christmas decorations are still up on this one. Oh, they changed them even. They put new ones. Anyways, I'm home, guys. And it's snowing even more. There's our baby. Oh, I'm gonna drive out tomorrow and look at all of this snow on it. So I hope you enjoyed the snow walk. I will see you guys in the next one.